car's completely transformed now, that's for sure. Let's get this car on the ramp. Let's run up the boost. 750 horses incoming. These are the downpipes we're installing today. Stainless steel, look at those wells. That sounds insane, man. Look at that. So yeah, this car should be running a clean 750 bhp now. I'm yet to go back to the workshop, amend the tune to make it a bit more faster, but this is very rapid as it is already. So today, we got this stunning Audi RS6. It's completely stock right now. It's a C8 model, V8 twin turbo, standard horses, 600. Today we're going to tune it to stage 2 and it's going to be running around 750 brake. In order to do that, we're going to install downpipes and an air filter, both upgraded of course. Before we get started, let's do a quick walk around the car. This is absolutely stunning. Look at that. It's got the Maxton splitter, fitted all round, and of course, not to forget, the massive 22-inch Vossen alloy wheels. And look at the size of those brake discs. Absolutely massive, probably 18 inches in size. Crazy. Something special about this RS6 that I love. I don't think there's any touring car out there that looks better than this. Yeah, of course, definitely C8. I had a C7 version, so I'm a fan of RS6s. Let's go around the back. Look at the size of those exhausts. Up their game, haven't they? What I don't like about this car is the interior. I think it just looks too basic, like a Audi A6, other than the bucket seats, of course. Nah, that's not me. First things first, we're going to install the air filter and then the downpipes. Let's get straight into it. First of all, the cover comes off and it exposes the heat shield, the twin turbos. Look at the size of these turbos. It's like some baby snails. Too small, man. Need to get some big turbos on this. And these are the downpipes we're installing today. Let's have a look at this. Stainless steel, very high quality. Look at those wells. Alright guys, so the downpipes are now installed. As you can see on idle, it already sounds a lot better than before. Let me rev it up and show you the difference. It's now got enhanced crackle and pops, so it sounds way better. That sounds insane, man. Look at that. What a difference from stock. So now that the downpipes are now installed, all we have to do now is put a base stage 2 file on the car, do some data logging on the road, come back, amend the tune, make it perfect, which is basically custom tuning. So let's head out. Guys, don't forget, you can win my BMW M3 E92 at boostcomps.co.uk. It ends on the 28th of February 2024. That's just about 2 weeks from now. And all you gotta do is head over to Boost Comps and purchase yourself a merchandise. Now, as you can see, each purchase will land you free entries. It's very straightforward. You don't have to answer any questions. So for example, if you purchase a hoodie, you'll get yourself 30 entries, a t-shirt, 10, and of course with smaller purchases, you can get yourself a keyring and you get 2 entries. Very straightforward, and the winner will be announced live on YouTube in 2 weeks' time. Also, just a heads up, all orders will be processed at the end of the month once the competition has ended. Just have a look at this M3. It's absolutely stunning. It's got gunmetal grey on the outside, red leather interior, the amazing 7-speed DCT gearbox, naturally aspirated V8. What more could you want? This is one of the legendary V8s. Get your hands on one, and all you got to do is make a purchase at boostcomps.co.uk. The car is completely transformed now, that's for sure. When this car came into us, it was sounding like really quiet and down. I'm not gonna lie, like it It's not far from an Audi A6, like a 3-litre petrol or something, but now it sounds like an Audi RS6 4-litre twin turbo. You can actually hear it properly. All right, so we're now going to log the vehicle, and doing logging, all you got to do is a few long pulls in a different amount of gears. But I just want to show you how loud the crackle and pop sound in this car. There you go. And bangs completely transformed the car now. So yeah, this car should be running a clean 750 bhp now. I'm yet to go back to the workshop and amend the tune to make it a bit more faster, but this is very rapid as it is already. By the way guys, the start of 2024, around February, March time, I'm very excited to announce that we will be getting a dyno as well. It's going to be a 4-wheel one, which is going to measure wheel horsepower up to 2,400 horsepower. Now you're probably thinking, why are we going for a dyno with that much capacity? As you know, with Boost Performance, that's what we do. We tune up cars, we build engines, and we make some bad boy cars. There you have it guys, Audi RS6 C8, tuned to stage 2, running 750 brake, absolutely savage and aggressive. If you've got a car that needs to be tuned, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, 5, 6, whatever it is, engine build, big turbos, we do it all. Give me a shout, Boost Performance. As usual, like this video, drop me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.